Hi, I'm Rocky Subin. Today, the topic which we are discussing is about the spiritual body of humans. As we are having a physical body, every humans are having a spiritual body too. So, the physical body is tangible. We can touch and sense the physical body, but the spiritual body is intangible. Means we cannot touch and realize or feel the spiritual body. So, in our spiritual body, there are main seven energy centers. So, these energy centers are for different purposes. So, it's like when we are seeing the in spiritual aspect in every religion, when we are seeing the picture or images of saints, we can see a white color round and a glow on the top of the head. So if we see in Christianity or in Muslim or in Hindu or in Buddhism or in any religion, we can see that. So what is that? That's the crown chakra in the spiritual body of human. So crown chakra means that's the center of blessing. That's the energy center of divine blessing. So similarly, there are another six more energy centers in the spiritual body of humans. So the second one is Ajna chakra, that is situated at the between two eyebrows, this point, and the third one is throat chakra at situated at the throat, and the next one is heart chakra. So that is situated on the heart area, and the next one is sacral chakra. So that situates below the heart area, and the next one is navel chakra. So that situates at the navel area of human body, and the last one is basic chakra or root chakra. So that is at the end of the spinal area, the basic or root chakra is. So these seven chakras or seven energy centers in the spiritual body is related to the seven different aspects of the spiritual body, which also reflects in the physical body or the maybe the materialistic side also. So we said that the crown chakra, which is above the top of the head, is crown chakra is related to the divine blessing, and heart chakra is related to the condition of heart of a person. So if a person is having a very loving heart, and if he is having a selfless attitude, then his heart will be the heart chakra or the energy center called heart chakra will be very much wide and very much powerful, very much strong. So the energy at the heart center will be very much glowing, and that will be very much strong. So when a person have a selfless heart, and if it is filled with love, he is loving everyone unconditionally, then automatically the divine blessing coming to that person will increase. So when a heart chakra or energy center at the heart grows, automatically the divine blessing getting to that person will also improves. So that's the thing which we can see in saints in all religion or in humanity. If a person is getting stepping up his values, and when he is purifying himself, then the this one, the crown chakra will be wide and that will be strong. That indicates the divine blessing that person is having. And the root chakra we mentioned, which is at the end of the spine area. So the root chakra is related to the physical energy, physical strength. So for a proper balance of a person, inner balance, all the chakras should be in a perfect alignment. So it's like the heart chakra should be in good condition. Also the crown should be in good condition. This point, Ajna chakra, should be in good condition. Throat chakra, it is related to, throat chakra is related to communication. So that should be in good condition. Similarly, the basic chakra or root chakra, that is related to the physical strength of the person. So that also should be in a good and energetic condition. So then only if we see in athletes or sports persons, then such persons, this basic chakra or root chakra will be very much strong and wide. That is because that person, they are doing much things which helps to strengthen the basic chakra, and because they do lots of exercise and all which strengthens this basic chakra, so that is reflecting in their physical body also. So the perfect balance of all these energy centers, all these 7 energy centers are of different purposes. So the perfect balance of these energy centers are very much essential for a very much balanced and a happy life for a person. Thank you.